we have something from Gcash. Medyo magaan, so hopefully this will be a quick camera test. And right now we are shooting with the Honor X6A. Ito yan. We're currently doing the hands-on review for this phone. So if you have any questions about it, drop them and talk to us on the comments section. So far, what I like about this phone is the design. It's one of the more attractive phones that has come out. It is a mid-range phone, and right now we are shooting with the main camera, 1080p, 30 FPS, everything in auto mode. We're using the internal mic, yada yada yada. Let's check out and test the camera capabilities by going through this bag from Gcash at may message. Sa likod, Gcash is the #1 finance app in the Philippines committed to fostering financial freedom. Get Refuse Lending, an affiliate of Gcash. The platform provides seamless access to customer and business loans to G Gives, G Loan, and G Credit powered by CIMB. Fuse Lending's approach to frictionless, so on and so forth. Ayan. Try natin ilapit kung gaano kaganda ang kanyang focusing at kung gaano ka-sharp. So I'm unable to see myself since I'm shooting using the rear camera. Hopefully the quality is good. Alright. And isa lang yung laman niya, no? Alright. Meron pa ba? Yun na yun. Okay. Borrow for tomorrow. Ang cute. Okay, yan. Lapit natin. And apparently it is a Google Assistant speaker. I've had one of these before. Google Mini pala. Yan. Mini, anong model to? Siyempre naka-tape yung ano, no? Naka-sticker yung pinaka sorry, Gcash, I have to remove the sticker. So, yan. Ilapit natin. Sana nakukuha nung camera, no? Yan. Pero ang ganda. Ganda nung, ang cute. And very catchy yung graphic ni Gcash. Borrow for tomorrow. Also very catchy. Tagline. Ayan, it's a Nest Mini. Okay. So I said this was gonna be a short video, but we have to unbox it. It's might as well unbox the Google Nest Mini. Okay, you know what? Let's see let's see lang kung ano, kung ayan. Okay. Should we do a review of the Google Nest Mini? Marami na sigurong naglabasan na reviews at this point in time. Like I said, we had a Nest Mini before. That was an orange one. Hindi ko alam kung may nabago pa dito sa pinadala ni Gcash. So eto, unboxing na rin siya ng Google Nest Mini. Still the same from what I see so far. At yung kanyang charger. Okay, has it always been this plug? I seem to recall that my Nest Mini, my older Nest Mini at least, uses a USB or micro USB. So ayan. Let's turn it on. We have batteries. Oh, okay. So we're gonna have to plug it in, but that would be the end of our quick unboxing. Ito yung kanyang manual. And that's it. So biglang naging unboxing ng Google Nest Mini yung ating video. Do you have any questions about Gcash borrow for tomorrow? Ayan. Okay. The lending. Okay. Kung kailangan yung humiram ng cash to buy your Honor X6A. O yun, no? Di ba? May segue. And once again, full review coming out on Tech Kuya at our YouTube channel, Tech Kuya. So, may tanong, kita-kits na sa comments, kita-kits sa ating channel. Bye!